This is without a doubt the easiest way to identify accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. But firstly, what is AMD? Basically, price will accumulate. That is essentially just consolidation, where price is moving sideways. Price will then manipulate by taking out liquidity, and then price will distribute inside the range that the manipulation has created. And this is where I want you to start looking. Asian session, London session, New York session. So when you get to the charts, I want you to highlight the Asian session. If the Asian session has accumulated, you should expect London session to manipulate, and in which case you would expect New York session to distribute. But here's the thing. If you arrive to the charts and the Asian session has expanded instead of accumulating, you should not expect London session to manipulate. You should expect London session to accumulate, therefore expecting New York session to manipulate. So it all comes down to what the Asian session has done. Asian session, accumulation. We then expect London session to manipulate, therefore expecting the New York session to distribute into this fair value gap right here. All you have to do, come to the charts and see what the Asian session has done first, and that will offer you the most precise way to identify AMD. And in terms of time frames, I typically will look for this type of pattern on a 15-minute chart, but I am in confluence with the higher time frames.